Hello everyone! Are you wondering what NPC energy means? Let's explore. NPC energy refers to someone who behaves as if they lack their own agency or individuality, similar to a non-player character in a video game. NPCs are designed to follow scripts and routines without deviating, and when this term is applied to people, it suggests they are going through life on autopilot, without critical thinking or personal initiative. NPC energy might be used to describe someone who follows trends or instructions without question, seeming to lack a unique personality or strong opinions. It can be a critique of someone who appears overly conformist or passive, blending into the background rather than standing out. Essentially, NPC energy is about living life with minimal personal input or distinctiveness. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.